Ready, set, go. No school in a month. Whoop, whoop. 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 No school in a month. Whoop.
So I'm just coming down to get ready for my work shift, and look who I see. It would be the one without its tail. So it is Leapy, drinking out of the water dish before I scared her. She got her one foot propped up right there. There's my coworker. Even though we're in quarantine, we still have all our pets with us. And Remy loves it when I'm on the treadmill. So I'm on the treadmill, just started. And he likes to do the laps back and forth. Come on, Rem. Well, don't bonk your shell against it. So there you guys go. He's getting his laps in too. You guys, I found another coworker sleeping on the job. Oh my goodness. So I've been joking, because I've been working remote from home, that my animals are my new coworkers. So Leapy drank her water, and then she fell asleep right near her bowl. I think her eyes are still open though, so maybe they're somewhat closed. It's a little creepy. Oh, there's an extreme close-up. Okay. Aha, I saw a tail. Stripey. Over here, you can see the tail right there. I'm gonna go around to the front, see if I can get a better view. No, not a better view. It's a little... I know Stripey's in the corner. It's a little hard to see though. And they're supposed to sleep up in the vines, and if they're down here like this, it means they're cold, but I did put the heat on. So hopefully... Well, you guys might have seen in other videos my how to properly cut a pineapple, but I need pineapple for this. Or rather, I cut it up. And actually, there's more. And I need pear lover mugs so I can have some Keurig. And some lunch prepared too. Getting the water ready to boil. Pasta salad.
That looks yummy!
Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, sweetie. And here's my pasta salad. So, quarantine day 14 into day 15. I guess it's technically day 15 now. I'm on my overnight shift while working, and I'm getting some laundry done, putting things away for donations. As I'm doing that, I've got a little buddy. I've got my Rem. Not focusing very well to show you, but I think he's watching the TV with me. Remy. So Corey recently missed the cage, so it might be a little bit hard to see. And one of the doors is kind of wonky, so I can't quite open it for a clearer view. There we go. It's a better view. Stripey, here's a tail wrapped around. It's interesting with Stripey being on this side, because normally Stripey likes to be up in this corner. I can't seem to spot Lizzie Leapy right now. I've been looking for her. But I do see Stripey. And our doors on our terrarium are kind of wonky right now, so we have to save up to get a new cage. Sorry about my voice, I got a little bit of a cold. we plan to get a new cage, and we're hoping to get from Josh's Frogs like a bunch of plants to put in here, some real ones. Right now we just have the fake vines, which they seem okay with, but it would be nice to get more growth. And there'll be a nice background here too, so then you guys won't have to see those raspberry curtains and whatnot that have been there since we moved in. Yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. I think it's so cute how her tail's wrapped around.
Xander can wink. Ah! Even his happy state.
Well, I just wanted to go check and turn off their Viv tonight, and look who I see in a new pose. I don't know why Stripey's decided he likes the right-hand side of the cage instead of the left-hand side now. He's really switched that around. Corey just missed the cage not that long ago. He has little legs there. I think he thinks he's very well hidden. He's going to try and get his view over here, but Xander's a good boy. You know how to shelter in place, don't you? You guys, look who's king of the world. There's Mr. Stripey. Can't wait till they're big enough to hold. I guess they gotta be like 3 inches across. So here's my night shift. I'm just in my bedroom and getting some work done. And Xander's here to keep me company. I know I got your paw. I know, usually you don't mind that. It's just me. Yeah, I had lemon. I had lemon in my water. Oh, he's been so affectionate lately. He normally does not kiss like this. And just in between my work from home, I'm also watching Grey's Anatomy. Yeah, because auditing is a lot of effort, and sometimes I need breaks. Huh. And sometimes I need snuggles from my kitten. So I just wanted to give you guys an update of how it's all going during quarantine. Go, there's that cute face. Hey, Xander. Here you go. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys. I turned on the light when I woke up, and here's Lizzie. She does not look the most comfortable, but she's up there. Hi guys, you guys, can you spot both of them?
I can't. Is that Stripey?
Nope, that one's Leapy, Lizzie.
Lizzie,
Buffy,
and Elizabeth.
Yep.
She's also Buffy.
And then you gotta look towards the ground to find Lukey's.
Oh, there it is. You found the food dish.
Yep.
The food dish. So I could actually, see what's going on. Hey, we have an indoor.
There's your baby. There's your baby Stripey.
I found it. It was in your room.
Yeah, I told you.
They're like frozen still because they don't want to move.
Yep. They're like, it's like playing freeze tag where they're like, freeze, whenever I wake up or I turn on the light. You ate up all the food.
Yeah. I think Stripey was like very hungry.
I think he was, because he was caught. And I don't know what Lizzie's doing up there. Like, that she does not look comfortable.
She probably likes that mushroom food dish. And she's like, alright, I'm just going to sleep here from the night.
I don't know, I had a dream that she almost fell out of the cage, and I was screaming to your father to go and get her. And then I screamed so loud that she jumped back in the cage. So. But that wasn't real, you know, that's not real life, but that was my dream, is I was worried about them.
Yep, she ate from the mushroom ledge. They just ate up the mushroom ledge food, because actually that mushroom has a little cup, and you put your food in there, and they eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Why is there water right here?
Because Daddy sprays the cage every night. Alright, so another update. Lizzie, Leapy, or as Conal's been calling her, Elizabeth/Buffy. So she's got a lot of names, but she's now like that. She loves just suctioning to the wall. There was one time where she was just totally on the wall. Very cute. And then let's see if I can find Stripey, because he's no longer by the food dish. So I'm not sure quite where he went. He usually likes to go up above in the corners. Well, I just checked the whole tank, and I don't see Stripey. But Corey said they like to hide in that log. So maybe he's in there. I just don't want to disturb him if he's in there, because it kind of freaks me out. Corey's better at handling than I am. But at least I saw Lizzie again about an hour later. They're quite amusing, especially during this quarantine time, to be able to watch them. And we've got to get a new, with that cork board climbing wall, which will unfortunately make it harder to see them. But it's because one of our glass doors is falling apart. So, alright, see you next time.